Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the point of sale. So the point of sale is the time and place where a retail transaction is completed. So the selling prices are linked to the product code of an item when adding stock. So the cashier merely needs to scan this code to process a sale. So this kind of transaction need a separate kind of voucher type to be configured. So the solution for us, the point of sale. So let me show the a traditional sales bill, how it resembles. Go to the day book. So I have not made any sales. Just create a sales. So I just save this. Go to the day book. I just want to make a printout of the sales. Click on print, current. Just make a preview of this printout copy. You can see here. So this is the traditional tax invoice bill that we will raise. So in case of point of sale, we need to go configure any voucher type. So let me show that. So I'm entering the masters create voucher type. Enter the point of sale. So the voucher type is sales. Automatic voucher numbering, and we can make use of the this option print voucher after saving. Just go with yes. Use for POS invoicing. Yes. Default message to print. The title to print. And also we can make the declaration. I just leave this class of now. Okay, I've created the voucher type. And now I make use of this voucher type in my voucher. So just click on sales. It asks whether it is of what kind of sale I am going to make. I just click on point of sale. So I just enter the party name, the sales account, and the item. So here it shows the customer is paying this invoice with cash, and the tendered amount. Let me say, for example, the customer is lending 15,000 rupees, and the balance. Okay, just go with 15,000. So the balance 5,000 will be given to the customer. So that's what it resembles. Just save this. The preview will be available like this, and this is the output for the point of sale. So you can see our messages will be displayed at the bottom of the page, bottom of this bill. This is the company information and the item description. You can see here the cash tendered and the balance amount will be printed here. So if, for example, if this in this point of sale, I need to add the predefined class, that is the output tax in this area. That is when if I want to go with the point of sale, the output tax should be uh, displayed predeterminedly. So if that is the requirement, and we need to make use of the voucher class. So just alter, go to the voucher type what we have created, that is point of sale. So in this we can make use of the class feature. So let me go with the output tags. Just click on enter. Okay, just ignore these gift vouchers, debit card, check, all these things. I'm just leaving this. We can also make use of this. If I have some ledgers relevant to these things, I can make use of those vouchers here. So just ignore these now. Okay, just go for yes. That to the cash account. I just linking the cash account, and here the sales account need to be updated, and the ledger name we can go with the output tags that need to be displayed predeterminedly in my point of sale. Just included these things and save this. Now I go to the voucher. So here you can see the voucher class is not applicable. I just click on sales, the point of sale, and I'm picking the output tags as my class. You can see here the output tags is default in this point of sale. So by this we can make use of the voucher class. So let me go with the customer. You can see here the tax is automatically calculated here. Just okay, 12,000. So the balance is 200, and we can make use of this preview. So this is the this is all about voucher class and point of sale. Thank you, friends. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.